I've been getting a lot of questions about fruit trees, bug infested. This one is a persimmon tree, but what I show will apply to any of the fruit trees. This has insects. It's not looking too good. This is still in the pot. I got this last spring. I put it in a bigger pot, but we're going to be planting this tree also. We're going to spray this down with neem oil. And this is what's on here. Big nest. You could spray this, but I'm just going to cut this branch right off, right there. I'm going to cut that off because that's too infested. So if you have something like that, just cut it off. And this is going to get cleaned up, sprayed with neem oil. And you want to do that before it flowers in the probably the fall or something. You want to do all the spraying before the fruits start to come out. So I'll be showing you through this video what I do with this tree. Okay, we're going to cut this off right here because this is way too badly infected. We're going to put this in a plastic bag and tie it real tight and put it in the trash. Okay, first we're going to wash it down real good with the hose. Give it a real good spraying. Get all any extra bugs and cobwebs off. Then once this dries, I'll come back out and give it a good dose of neem oil. Then we'll take it from there. Okay, now we're going to give this a good spray. I did put a mask on. And we're going to be using this neem oil. These are spider mites on here. This is for spider mites, powdery mildew, rust, neem seeds, white flies. So we're going to spray this real good. The whole tree. I'll probably do this for a couple days. Okay, then we'll come back and check her out. The last part of the video was last year in August. This is May now. And it's looking pretty good. Through the winter, all the leaves come off a persimmon tree. And then they start to go back in the spring. And this is where I cut that branch off. It's already getting a new one starting. And I cleaned the pot up a little. I didn't plant it just yet. I'm leaving it in here. Put fresh dirt in there.